So hi Oscar, my name is James Kruger and thank you for inviting us here to see your leafy green production here at Scarborough Farms. I hear that you're one of the foremen here at Scarborough Farms.
Yes, my name is Oscar Gonzalez and I'm a foreman for Scarborough Farm. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
inviting us out. I'm really interested in the process here. Can you tell me about what goes on here at this leafy green production?
Yeah, what we do is planting and harvesting baby lettuce, baby greens, what is part of the leafy green production for Scarborough Farms. We've been doing this for a number of years, up to 20 years, I think.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about the process? What you go through when you actually do the growing and the cycling, and what has to be done, what the process is?
Well, basically the process is prepare the soil and get ready to plant either seeds or transplants. After that, we do whatever is necessary to grow it, and after growing, it's time to harvest and send the product to the processing plant to be processed.
So Oscar, can you tell me a little bit about the process in relation to technology? I heard that you've adopted some type of technology to help you with this process. Can you kind of tell us about that?
Yeah, we just start using a new technology to keep track of hours and time and all that, and also for safety purposes. It is some good technology to keep track of healthy issues for the leafy green agreement.
So can you tell me a little bit about the technology? Is it something you hold in your hand, or is it a paper, or what?
Yeah, this is a new device. It is a handheld device to keep track of time for people, and also to keep some kind of documentation for the leafy green agreement. And that's going to be probably very helpful. We just started doing that, but I think it's going to be really helpful for the future of our operation.
So before you use this handheld device, how did you track all this information? What did you use?
Basically, we have to do it with paper. We have to track all the information in paper and keep it for records.
So after you filled out the paper, was that simply it, or did you have to take that paper somewhere?
Actually, we fill up the paper and save it in file for records when we have any kind of audit or inspection. So we have to show the papers to the inspectors to show them we are in compliance.
So how is the technology going to make it, how is it going to improve the process?
I think this technology will improve the process because not just we will not need to use paper to keep track of all that kind of information, but also we can save that information in a central data collection probably, and that will be available instantly for any review.
So after you do the field process here and pick the leafy greens, what happens after that? What's the next process?
After we harvest the product, which is a variety of leafy products or vegetables, we harvest from the field and send it via truck to the processing facility. And the advantage of this new technology is we can keep track of safety issues from the field to the plant and from the plant to the shipper. Is that okay?
Perfect.
Okay.
You know, this is really exciting, and it sounds like new technology, and it's kind of going to help everybody, all the way down to the shipper and the end user, the customer that's actually buying this in the store.
Yeah, I think what this gonna do is it's gonna make more comfortable for people who's buying or using or eating our products or any kind of product, because it's showing a better way to control safety issues again.
How about efficiency? Can you tell us a little bit about efficiency or yield or something that also you benefit from?
Actually, I think efficiency-wise is going to be some good advantage on that area, because we can probably produce better or have better use of our time or our people times producing.
Very good. One last question. So as the foreman, you're actually out here in the field even before the workers show up. Do you use the handheld device to actually do your checks before?
Yeah, actually, the idea is to use the device to start a checkout for everybody and keep track of it, again, for safety issues, to be sure everybody of our employees are in compliance with safety involved.
Fantastic. Oscar, I want to thank you very much for
Thank you.
inviting us out here. It was really a pleasure. Thank you again.
Thank you, too.